create an event hashtag. That way, attendees can just go on social media, click it, see any updates from you, share out all the best posts and the best moments from your event. Hi everyone, I'm Meredith and I am the Digital Marketing Manager here at Social 27, and I have 3 virtual event best practices for you to best utilize social media to its fullest potential for your next virtual event. I would say number 1, the most important thing to do is to create an event hashtag. That way attendees can just go on social media, click it, see any updates from you, share out all the best posts and the best moments from your event. And that way they can go back and reminisce about how amazing your event was by just clicking the hashtag. It's that easy. And then I would say number 2 is to create an event on LinkedIn and Facebook. That way people can share out on social media that they're going to your event. They're already on social media anyway. It just makes it that much easier for them to share that they're going. And that way you can get more people to register. And then number 3 is, I would say, to once an attendee registers, to be able to create a link that they can just easily share out on their own socials or via email to get more people invited and more excited about your event. It's that easy, and it's a great way to build a community around your event and to get more people to sign up.